Now the friends, today we are going to learn the first angle projection system. Now friends, the problem statements, the point A 50 mm above HP, 60 mm in front of VP. Now understand your point A above HP in front of VP. It means our point A in first angle. So your point A it is 50 mm above HP, and 60 mm in front of VP. Now the observer is here, and you see the objects first perpendicular to VP. Now when the observer observe the point perpendicular to vertical plane, that direction we call as a front view, either you can say the elevation. So now this observer, it is observe the point A from front view orientation. The projection of point A as an elevation point appear on vertical plane. Either you can think, if the observer have a torch and focus on point A, the shadow of the point A always appear in vertical plane as a dash, and always we mark our elevation point as a dash point. So this is our observation, the projection of the A point, it is appear here as a dash. Now one more, what is the dimension from this green line? So what is our green line? This green line, it is our XY line, where both the planes are intersect to each other at 90 degree. Now the A dash, it is 50 mm from XY line. Similarly, the observer is change its place and see the object from top view. So it is called as a top view, either plan. So the top view of the point A, it is appear on HP plane as a plan point A, and its distance from XY line, it is 60 mm. So this is my top view. It is our front view. Now your HP plane always moving 90 degree in clockwise direction. Why? Because when we represent our projection of points as a 2D figures in two-dimensional, so we rotate our HP plane 90 degree in clockwise direction. So your HP plane, it is going to downward direction, and this our 3D picture, our 3D representation, it is converted in 2D representation. With HP plane, our top view of the point A also going to downward direction, either below to XY line as a plan point A. This is our top view. So in first angle system, always VP plane, it is above to XY line, and HP plane below to XY line. Now in VP plane, we have the elevation. In HP plane, we have the top view. So always in our first angle, the elevation of the object above XY line, and the top view of the object, it is represented at below XY line. Now for the answer, how to represent your answer of the problem statements. So first I draw the XY line. As per problem statements, your point A 50 mm above HP. Now you remember here, your point A is 50 mm above HP, and when you observe your point from the elevation, its elevation point A dash always above XY line with the same data. So first I mark the 50 mm points above the XY line. It is the condition with HP, 50 mm above HP. It means I better understand it is my elevation point A dash 50 mm from XY line. Now second data, your plan point in front of VP. So this in front of VP distance can be seen from only top view, and it is condition with VP. So always our condition with VP, it is a plan point. So your plan point A, it is in downward direction from XY line and in HP plane. So what I do here, I take the 60 mm dimension and it is my plan point A, top view. This is your front view, and it is always 60 mm in front of VP. So this is in front of VP condition, and this is our above HP. And always in first angle above HP we have the vertical plane. Below XY line there is always HP plane. In HP plane always we get the top view of the objects. Always we get the elevation of the objects. Now I say the simple. The point A 50 mm above HP. So what I do? I can just draw the upward direction line as per dimension 50 mm. Condition with HP means it is A dash elevation. 60 mm in front of VP. The in front of VP means where is my projection? My projection, it is below XY line, downward direction from XY. So I draw the 60 mm dimension. Condition with VP, in front of VP, it means it is my plan point, top view point. I mark the top view point 60 mm from XY.